witness like kind of like half a day of Nick Jr. actually, maybe slightly more, the plus one version of this TV channel. So it pretty much shows the same stuff, the same bumpers, same promos. I guess the only difference is every once in a while they show some promo or bumper that is kind of rare, which they don't show as often, right? And then there's the difference between, did you see that it was like green and yellow, and then it turned dark for some reason. I don't know why. So that was weird. I mean, I would imagine it to turn to be the other way around, but oh, I guess because she's brushing her teeth, this is morning time. So we saw some unusual Nick Jr. bumper station identification stuff going on there. I guess it's morning time bumpers from now on. Very soon we'll start seeing morning time bumpers because it's obvious that this was recorded during the night. So I guess it's the evening actually. She's brushing her teeth for the night. So it's like the evening, and the yellow background and the green background transitioning to the nighttime background, the dark blue background, was symbolic of, transitioning to nighttime bumpers. So, as I was saying, the only major changes that occur here is when they switch from nighttime mode to morning mode to afternoon mode to noon mode, etc. So, according to the time of the day, the color of the bumpers change. They use different bumpers and promos. So that's like the major change you can observe during the day. Well, when you're like just watching nighttime promos, like you're watching all night, you're probably gonna see the same promos and bumpers over and over again till it becomes morning or a different time of the day where they switch to different kinds of bumpers and stuff. But they also have ads in between it shows, so it's not very noticeable. You can't really notice it unless you do this thing where you record a whole day of this TV channel and you just, I don't remember if we saw this yet. Yes, we did many times. When you record a whole day of the TV channel and you just remove the shows, every show, and you remove the ads as well. What I did, I still left a couple of ads in, like ads related to children channels, like Disney Junior or Cartoon Network or Boomerang or just Nick Jr. 2 or something like that. Most of our Nick, I mostly leave in these kinds of ads, at least one of them. Like when like a Disney Junior ad airs again and again, sometimes I'll leave in just the first time it airs and cut out all the other times it airs, right? But in general, I cut out the ads because then the video gets too long, and a lot of people don't want to see these ads, even though some might want to see them. So I think most people don't actually. And if they do want to see them, they don't want to see them in such a long continuity. Like, they might want to see them in a short continuity, but not in a long one. They don't want to see the same ads again and again, like we see with bumpers. Hey, look, Dora the Explorer waving at us. So they're all in her sink on various ships, so they don't drown. And there's this. Okay, on her shelf there was the Nick Jr. logo for some reason. I don't know who put it there, but the crab kind of messed it up. And the owl is like doing something to the J letter, the letter J. So, what would you do if you were brushing your teeth for the night and then suddenly the sink fills up with water and all the cartoon characters you saw on TV appear in front of you, but not as real life figure. Oh, hey, look, brown bag films. We love animation. You don't see that very often. What would you do if all these cartoon characters just suddenly showed up in your sink, and they wouldn't say a word? They would just like jump around and look at you and play and stuff. What would you do? Like, would you be like happy, or would you be like freaking out, like scared, right? What is this going on? That would be weird, a weird reaction. So what is this? Spin Master Entertainment. What did they show actually? I'm not sure. So we see a lot of the same bumpers here. I don't even think they're showing any ads during the night because nobody's watching them, I guess. Nobody wants their ads to be shown during the night. So this is a time where they have to fill the airspace with their own bumpers. And what better way to fill them up with than your own productions of, you know, these teeth brushing things. Hey, look, it's the transition right now. It's the transition to morning time. So we looked at all the whole continuity through the night, and now it's starting to get morning. So he's an inventor. It's a Cartoon Network ad and promo for Cloudy with a side of dishes, side of meatballs, Cloudy with a chance of meatballs, of course. And he's an inventor. Flintlock wood, so new. It used to be new. Remember when it was new on Cartoon Network? I guess I could have time for that. New. So you see, this is how it transitions from nighttime to morning time. The bumpers suddenly become go from dark blue to green and yellow. I will skip this ad a little bit because we've seen it. We don't need to see it once again. So here, building block.